Hi, this is John from Table Saw Creations, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a broken wire on your cheese slicer. You'll see on the bottom on this style handle there's a screw in the bottom of this handle, so just loosen that screw up and then this handle rotates. And you just pull it off. Now it does get a little bit stiff, and you got to make sure you pull that screw out. Well, let's just take it out all the way. Just wiggle it back and forth till you get it, and it popped out, you see, because this arm pulled out too. So typically that arm goes in there and it goes through that wire. So what you do is you got to get a new wire. Well, what you can do is take your Phillips screwdriver and push that pin out, and then take a pair of needle nose pliers and pull that pin out so that you can get your wire off. So, and then you get a new wire. I'm going to start that pin in there. Get a new wire and slide that wire in there, and then push that pin back through that hole, and you're keeping that wire in the center. Just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to rotate this thing. You're going to take the arm and put the arm back in that hole part of the way. Now, I should show you on this arm where you're going to put the handle, there's a little hole, and that's where you're going to line up to put the screw back into. So, okay. So you're going to slide this in here, and you're going to put your loop in there so that when you push this arm through, it goes in that loop. Now sometimes they get a little tricky. Sometimes it's a little stiff getting in there, but just work it back and forth and you'll get it. And once you've got that in there, then you just take it and slide it over this part of the rod. And then you're going to rotate it and make sure you got this all the way on. And then you're going to rotate it. Now, when you do it, it's going to seem super, super tight, but that's how it's supposed to be. And this wire will fit back in that groove. Take your screw and put your screw back in that hole. It'll line up when you rotate this handle back. It'll more than likely wind up in the right spot. So be careful when you're putting pressure here, and back this up so you don't bend something. Back it up, and when you're putting pressure, you're turning that screw, make sure you don't slip and go through your hand. We've all done that. So now, again, if you've got it in and the wire isn't lined up, as we talked about in our other video, you could just put some pressure and pull that rod out just a little bit. Put some pressure, pull it that way until that wire gets in the center of that slot. Just do it a little bit at a time. And then you get it back in the center. So this is Contractor John from Table Saw Creations, showing you how to change a wire in a wire cheese cutter.